Well, good morning, YouTube. I'm trying to get this video up for the rear view camera mounting thing, but I realized I didn't have a 12 volt supply. In order to get my 12 volt supply in, we have to run wires up front. So I basically had to tear down my interior and start hooking this baby up. So I got a 12 volt supply. Whoa, come on. And 2 USBs. So there's the 12 volt supply and 2 USBs in there. So yeah, I'm gonna have to charge things with the 12 volts. I didn't have one. I didn't have a cigarette lighter in my Volkswagen. So that's what we're doing right now. So yeah, hopefully we can get all the cabinets back in here. Mr. P-Tank over here ran out on me last night. It tilted it a bit. But yeah, it was 5 degrees this morning when I woke up at 3 o'clock in the morning without a furnace. He wants to get on the road here too, eh? So yeah, the cabinets should all be placed back in here today. We'll start organizing things and yeah, get this place cleaned up. Okay, it's not the prettiest tape job I've ever done, that's for sure. But you know, it's nice and tight. It's gonna come down. I think what I'm gonna do though is clean this floor up and run some Gorilla Tape just to protect the wires from under the rubber mat. An electrician I'm not. Jack of all trades and master of none, right? I keep telling you guys that, but it'll work. It'll definitely work. Right here is where my power is going to be. So when I'm lying in bed or sitting on the couch, I can plug anything in there. So we're going to run that wire around. We're going to run the back wall. I'm going to have to snip off enough to run a ground wire and stick it onto one of these metal bars here using a connector. Come on, buddy. Open up. Yeah. Run one of these and stick a wire in it and shove it on the wall. And I'm definitely not a professional. So, but at least I get things done. The worst part is, wait till I show you this. Yeah, so after I move this and get it, I have to wire these all up. Can you see those things? Okay.
So the power will go into one, and then you jump it over to this one, and then the negative will go from here to this one to that one, and it's like, oh yeah, it's a bunch of
figuring out how to do that kind of stuff, because I have a tendency to forget. I'll Google it. So there we go. We got them all hooked up. There's my ground. It's gonna go to here. Positive going into there. That are getting the cabinet ready. I love you, buddy. Just chilling. Okay, it's time to pull these covers off. They're too close to the ground. I gotta cut the bottom part off. I got some wood over there we're gonna cut, so I'm just gonna get taking these off for now. Well, that totally sucks, eh? I'm going to show you. I borrowed a saw last night, a skill saw, also known as a circular saw. These are my old tires, and I grabbed a piece of this to, you know, get a cutting table. And well, we plugged it all in, and it didn't work. I took it inside, I applied other plugins. No, it didn't work. Made sure this one worked, it worked. So it ended up in the disposal bin. Sorry, Richard. Oh well. We had a lovely visit by Lowlight Mike, the YouTube sensation. If you want to see some cool videos and some cool places, go check him out on YouTube, Lowlight Mike. So I borrowed some degreaser from the shop so we could clean this floor up. Should make it nice and clean. And yeah, I hope this works. I tried it last time when I used Windex, but Windex is water-based. I guess this is too, but this is more potent. So, wish me luck. Look at you, buddy. You taking a break? There. That looks better. Just let it dry a bit. I'll go grab the tape. Well, I ran out of Gorilla tape. So I'm going to use some of this packing tape for now. Maybe I'll get some more Gorilla tape later. That's good, eh? Hopefully allow the Gorilla tape to cover it all up and secure it. More work. It's 8:45, and I'm telling you, I did not want to get out of bed this morning. Well, we woke up to another beautiful day. Your guys' videos are almost up to par with real time. So we'll have to get on the road soon. But the show must go on. And doing our morning routine. Taking the dude around to his green spaces. And yeah, go back and grab a coffee probably and sit in the coffee room. We had the heater running all night until about 4 o'clock this morning, I guess it was. Good old Brent decided to turn it off and see how long it was going to take to cool off the van. It took about an hour and a half, 2 hours before the van was pretty cold, and took a while to heat it back up, I'll tell you, but it's a pleasure having it, but that gas tank's got to go. It's way too small. Anyways, I'm going to go in and enjoy a coffee, and we'll get back to you guys. Okay, let's go have a coffee. Dude, let's go. Come on. This is a pretty little car. Anyways, look what we got. You got me carrying a coffee. That's what we got. Amazon finally showed up. All right. It's gonna be my new fridge. I have to clear everything out of the way to see if it's gonna fit. Were you napping? Anyways, bam. A box inside of a box with some paper. Okay, I need 2 hands for this. All right, I hope this fits. Buddies. It better fit. I took the measurements off the website, so it should be very close to being what it's supposed to be. Oh, that's a cute little logo. Anyways, it's not huge, but I'm not off grid for great lengths of time. Looks like a simple, easy fix. Yep. Let's go see if she fits. 1, 2, 3. One thing I forgot to take into consideration was the rear tire wells. I thought it would slide right over it. Well, we'll see. Hey, dude. Did you find any bugs? I like your houses. Sometimes I get all excited and carried away. Okay, I lied. most of the time I get excited and carried away. I had my tripod, but I can't find it. And I need a free hand. Oh, there it is. There we go. So we needed to cut a bigger hole. Hence, I got excited and got carried away. We'll finish this up and we'll grab the fridge and we'll stick it into the van. See what other modifications I'll have to do. Okay. Definitely not the prettiest hole cutting machine, but it's in there. Bam! Well, it's in. Gotta do a couple modifications. And I gotta run the power line to it. Speaking of power, I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with my power. I only have one battery in here. Shore power hooked up to that, baby. Maybe we can put a lithium one in here. And when you make a big mess, you gotta break out the dirty dog to clean it up. And then it was done. Cool, eh? We'll get something to go in front of that. I'm not sure how we're gonna do that, but we'll clean it up. Did I show you where my water was going? In here. I thought I would cut my cushion in half down here and have the front like a bar, like a tap coming up, glass, pots, filter up. I don't know yet. It's all up here.